I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So this is an Updo kind of video, wedding kind of hairstyle. So I've been requested to do such a hairstyle. Okay, so the first thing that I did is my hair was washed and 99% dry. Okay, so I started off by applying my leave-in conditioner and then followed on by using my coconut oil, and I just started separating my hair. So I'm gonna part my hair like in 3 parts. So yeah, it is difficult if you're doing it by yourself. You will need at least 2 mirrors.
Slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this.
So this is my person, not that neat. Okay, I didn't get any help. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel. You guys know that I will always use Eco Styler gel. Okay, this is not something new, so I'm just doing the usual stuff that I always do when I'm laying down my hair. I'm just gonna use my Denman brush. This, I find it is very good for detangling natural hair.
Make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere.
And I'm going to repeat the process using my Denman brush and a comb just to make sure that the hair is well detangled. And I'm just going to use my toothbrush as well just to lay down my hair properly. I couldn't find my brush anywhere closer to me, so I just had to use what I had at the moment. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my hair scarf and I'm just going to sit under the dryer until my hair is completely or almost dry. You know me, guys, I'm not going to stay there for ages. You can leave this overnight if you are not in such a rush. You can actually let your hair air dry during the night. Okay, so the hair that I'm using in this video is called Ease Twin Braid or Ease Twin Braid. This is a Toyokalon fiber hair. I received this hair from Toyokalon fiber and I'm using this one in color number 1. This hair is so beautiful, you guys. It comes pre-stretched already, so you don't need to feather the tips because they're already done for you. Like seriously, that is super cool. So let's hustle. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab a rubber band that it comes with and use that to attach it to my own ponytail, like so. I did try to slow down, you guys, because most people say that I do fast forward my videos too much. I was trying. I just don't want the videos to be too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start twisting the hair. So this is like the whole packet. Just gonna start going around my own ponytail, making sure that my own hair is totally concealed, and I'm gonna go ahead and secure with some bobby pins. And you need to secure this with the rubber band at the end so that it doesn't like look messy or unravel when you're doing this. And this hair is so beautiful, you guys. I absolutely love this. It is super light. This texture is so amazing. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue doing the same process, attach the braid. So this is one packet, like I said, and I'm using the Ease Twin Braid by Toyokalon fiber, and this is in color number 1. I'm just gonna attach the last packet. So I used about 3 packets in this video. With this last bead, I divided the hair into half. So the first half I went around in the bigger twists, and as you can see right here, I'm just gonna wrap it around my own ponytail, my own hair, and secure with bobby pins, and I'm gonna tuck it under the second like ponytail as you saw right here. And the last half I'm gonna divide it into 2 and do smaller twists. So the smaller twists, I'm gonna go ahead and create like a funky hairstyle, like a flower or something like that, like a fascinator or something like that. I just loved, playing around and creating this look for you guys. So this is absolutely effortless. So you want to go and make sure that you secure with lots of bobby pins so that this thing doesn't unravel. Okay, especially when you have to go for a wedding where you'll be dancing, you need something very, very secure. All right, guys.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all.
So I had to go ahead and put on a nice wedding kind of attire. This looks absolutely elegant and beautiful. So yeah, don't forget to check out Toyokalon Fiber. You can find them on Facebook, on Instagram, and you can find them on their website as well. So yes, I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. So let me know your thoughts. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.